Hello, beautiful friends. Today I will gently teach you how to make real homemade pizza from the beginning. Stay with me, and let's create something warm, soft, and delicious together. Correct measurement is important. These simple ingredients will become a soft pizza dough and rich, melty topping. We need flour, warm water, yeast, sugar, salt, a little oil, pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese, and fresh toppings like tomatoes, peppers, and chicken. First, we activate our yeast. Mix yeast, warm water, and a little sugar. Then let it rest for 5 minutes until it becomes foamy and alive. Now we combine the foamy yeast with flour, salt, and a little oil, mixing gently until a soft dough comes together. Knead the dough for about 10 minutes until smooth and stretchy. Then cover it and let it rise in a warm place for 1 hour until doubled in size. Once risen, press the air out softly, then roll the dough into a wide round base, ready for our toppings. Spread the sauce, add plenty of cheese, then place your fresh toppings beautifully across the dough. Bake in a hot oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes until the cheese melts and the crust turns golden. Look at this beautiful golden crust and that soft, melty cheese inside. Perfect homemade pizza. So soft, so cheesy, so delicious. Follow me for more simple, beautiful recipes made with love.